Welcome friends. In this video, one simple and best example on a Fourier series in the interval minus pi to plus pi I am going to evaluate. That is, find the Fourier series in minus pi to plus pi for the function f of x equal to x minus x square, and hence deduce that pi square by 12 is equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square and so on, and minus pi square by 6 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square and so on, and finally pi square by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus 1 by 7 square and so on. Here, for given f of x is equal to x minus x square and the interval alpha to alpha plus 2l is equal to minus pi to plus pi, they are given, which implies alpha is equal to minus pi and period 2l equal to that is pi minus of minus pi, which is equal to 2 pi. Therefore l is equal to pi. I am going to get l equal to pi and alpha equal to minus pi, and my function is x minus x square. For this period that is l equal to 2 pi, I am going to get the series as is equal to f of x equal to a naught divided by 2 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an into cos nx plus bn into sin nx is the required series. In this an, bn and a naught I have to calculate. Therefore, what about a naught then? A naught is given by a naught is equal to 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x dx, and an is given by 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into cos nx dx, whereas bn is given by 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into sin nx dx. Okay, for this particular cases, that is 2l equal to pi and alpha equal to this one, my Fourier series is given by this. One by one I will calculate now. Let me calculate first a naught. Now a naught is equal to, okay, a naught equal to 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x. My f of x is x minus x square into dx. Integrate this now. While integrating this, 1 by pi outside as it is, integration of x is x square by 2 minus integration of x square is x cube divided by 3 between the limits minus pi to plus pi. Substitute upper limit minus lower limit and we'll get the required answer here. That is 1 by pi upper limit minus lower limit, that is minus, for first term both upper limit and lower limit I will substitute, pi square minus of minus pi square divided by 2 for first term, minus for second term pi cube minus of minus pi cube divided by 3. Okay, simplifying them, I am going to get them as 1 by pi square minus the pi square will become plus pi square, but already pi square minus is there, and this will become pi cube minus pi cube will become minus, therefore minus of minus plus pi cube divided by 3. Okay, this will become 0 and this will become 1 by pi minus 2 times pi cube divided by 3. Therefore, one of the pi cancel. There implies a naught is equal to, my a naught is minus 2 pi square divided by 3 is my a naught. Like that, I have to solve for an now. second coefficient an is equal to 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into cos nx. Okay, substitute the values, which is equal to 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi. F of x is nothing but x minus x square into cos nx dx. To integrate this, I have to use Bernoulli's rule. To use Bernoulli's rule, I will consider this one as u and this one I will consider it as a v. Therefore, that is 1 by pi as it is, and first term as it is x minus x square into integration of cos nx will become sin nx divided by n minus differentiation of x minus x square, that is 1 minus 2x into integration of sin nx divided by n, that will become minus cos nx divided by n square is the integration of sin nx divided by n, plus differentiation of 1 minus 2x will become 0 minus 2 into integration of this, already minus is there, cos nx integration will become sin nx divided by n cube between the limits minus pi to plus pi. And whenever sin containing term is there for minus pi to plus pi, they will become automatically 0 because sin n pi equal to 0. Using this, I can write this is equal to 0 and this is equal to 0. I can substitute only for these terms. Okay, as 1 by pi. Okay, I will simplify first, then I will substitute. Minus of minus plus, it is 1 minus 2x into cos nx, okay, divided by n square. I am substituting only for x here, that's why n square I will take outside again. Okay, between minus pi to plus pi. For these two values, I have to substitute the upper limit minus lower limit here. Upper limit is pi and lower limit is minus pi, which is equal to 1 by pi n square into upper limit x equal to pi, 1 minus 2 pi into cos n pi, correct, upper limit, minus lower limit x equal to pi minus pi, that is 1 minus 2 into minus pi, I will write it as minus plus pi into cos of minus pi into x, sorry, n, minus pi into n. Simplifying this, what I am going to get, 1 divided by pi n square, 1 divided by pi n square into cos of minus theta is again cos theta, and that I can write it as a minus 1 raised to n, and these two I will take, this cos n pi I will take common, this will become 1 minus 2 pi minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 pi into cos n pi is nothing but minus 1 raised to n. Okay, plus 1 minus 1 cancels, minus 4 pi, 1 divided by pi n square into minus 4 pi into minus 1 raised to n, and here pi cancels, therefore my an I can write it as now, and this minus I can write it as 4 times minus 1 raised to n plus 1, correct, 4 times minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square, this I can write, this is my an. A naught I have calculated, an I have calculated, like that I have to calculate now bn. Now bn is equal to 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x into sin nx dx, that is 1 by pi integration from minus pi to plus pi f of x is nothing but x minus x square into sin nx dx. Okay, to integrate this again, I will choose first term as u and second term as v. U I will choose because of after some differentiation it will vanishes, which is equal to 1 by pi x minus x square into integration of sin nx will become minus cos nx divided by n minus differentiation of this 1 minus 2x into integration of this minus cos will become sin nx divided by n square, then plus differentiation of 1 minus 2x is 0 minus 2 into integration of this again, already one minus is there, one more minus of minus cos nx divided by n cube. Okay, between the limits next term becomes 0, that's why simply stop here, minus pi to plus pi, and again sign containing term will become 0 for both upper limit and lower limit, that's why this is a 0. Only for these two terms I have to substitute for upper limit and lower limit. Let me simplify first, then let me substitute. There is 1 by pi, this is minus x minus x square into cos nx divided by n for this, and here minus 3 times, therefore again minus, it will become 2 times cos nx divided by n cube, between the limits minus pi to plus pi. To avoid the confusion, what I will do, this minus sign I will take outside, minus I will take here plus. Okay, substitute now upper limit minus lower limit, minus 1 by pi, upper limit first, upper limit is x equal to pi, that is pi minus pi square into cos n pi divided by n, plus for this one 2 cos n pi divided by n cube. This is my upper limit, minus lower limit x equal to minus pi minus of minus pi square into cos of minus n pi divided by n plus 2 times cos of minus n pi divided by n cube. Okay, simplify this, I am going to get the required answer. Okay, over here what I will do is, to simplify this, let me take cos n pi common from all the terms. First term will remain pi minus pi square divided by n, that is 1 by n into, I will write pi minus pi square for this term, and here minus is multiplied, plus pi, minus of minus plus pi, minus plus, but minus square again plus, therefore plus pi square, that is for divided by n terms I have taken here, and divided by n cube, plus 2 divided by, okay, that cos n pi I am taking common from all the terms. From second type, 2 by n cube into, and here it is 1, 2 by n cube, cos n pi is taken common, and here minus 1, okay, into cos n pi, as well as minus cos n pi is also plus cos n pi only. Simplifying this, I am going to get it as minus pi square plus pi square cancels, minus 1 plus 1 cancels, this is totally 0, which is equal to minus 1 by n pi into 2 pi into minus 1 raised to n, which implies my bn value is nothing but bn value pi cancels, minus or 2 times minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n is my bn. Okay, 2 by n into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n. Using all these things, a0, an and bn, let me write the Fourier series. Okay, therefore f of x is equal to x minus x square equal to a0 divided by 2. a0 I have calculated it as 2 times pi square divided by 3 divided by 2 will become a naught by 2 will become pi minus pi square divided by 3 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity an is nothing but 4 times minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square into cos nx plus bn is 2 by n into minus 1 raised to n into n plus 1 into sin nx. This is the required Fourier series. Okay, using this I have to deduce the required. Okay, deductions now. Deductions. Okay, first one, at x is equal to 0. Okay, that x value should lie between that given interval. At x equal to 0, left hand side is 0 minus pi square divided by 3 equal plus, and here summation n equal to 1 to infinity 4 times minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square, x equal to 0, cos 0 is 1 plus 2 by n into minus 1 raised to n plus 1, sin 0 is 0, therefore second term will become 0, only first term. Shifting to the other side, it will become plus pi squared by 3 equal to this, I can take 4 outside, so summation n equal to 1 to infinity, okay, minus 1 to the power n plus 1 divided by n square. This 4 also I will shift it to the other side, that will become pi square divided by 12 equal to, expanding this for n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on, for n equal to 1 minus 1 raised to 2 will become plus 1 by 1 square, for n equal to 2, sorry, n equal to 2 minus 2 plus 1 3, minus 1 raised to 3 is a minus 1 divided by 2 square plus 1 divided by 3 square minus 1 divided by 4 square plus so on. This is my first deduction. Now to deduce the second one, let me put x equal to plus pi first. Then what happens here? If I am putting x equal to plus pi, that is x equal to pi minus pi square equal to minus pi square divided by 3 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 4 times minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square into cos of n pi, x equal to pi, plus 2 divided by n into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 into sin n pi. Okay, this is the substitution for n x equal to plus pi. Extreme values I am using. For n pi, sin contained term totally becomes 0. For this one I have to expand now. Okay, let me solve this one. In the next step, what I will do, I will shift it to the left hand side, that is pi minus pi square plus pi square divided by 3 equal to this term 4 I can write outside, and summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square into cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n. Okay, this is taking LCM and simplifying this one. Pi minus LCM is 3, minus 3 plus 1 will become minus 2 pi square equal to 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to 2n plus 1 n add n divided by n square. Let me call this as a result number 1. Okay, let me call it as result number 1. Okay, next, like that, let me put x equal to minus pi also in the same result. Then I am getting minus pi minus of minus pi square equal to minus pi square divided by 3 plus summation n equal to 1 to infinity 4 times minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square into cos of minus n pi plus 2 by n into minus 1 raised to n plus 1 into sine of minus n pi. But again sine of minus n pi is 0. Only for this term I have to evaluate. Therefore minus pi minus pi square will become plus pi square only, shifting it to again left hand side, plus pi square divided by 3 equal to 4 again taking outside, summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n plus 1 divided by n square into cos of minus theta is again plus cos theta only, therefore it is minus 1 raised to n. Okay, simplifying this, what I'm getting, minus pi and this is LCM is 3. Okay, minus 3 plus 1 again minus 2 pi square. Okay, equal to 4 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to n plus 1 plus n, that is 2n plus 1 divided by n square. This is my second result. Let me call it as a second result. To deduce the second type here, I am solving this one. Now adding 1 plus 2 now. Okay, result number 1 plus 2. What I am getting then? Left hand side's addition, plus pi minus pi cancels, will remain minus 2 times, minus 2 plus 2, 4 times 4 pi square divided by 3 equal to 4 plus 4, 8 times. Okay, 8 times summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to 2n plus 1 divided by n square. Then here 4 ones are 4 2s, you can write 2, you can shift other side, minus pi square divided by 6 equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to 2n plus 1 divided by n square. Now expand this, n equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. For n equal to 1, what happens? 2n, it is always positive. Okay, therefore minus 1 raised to 1 will become minus. Therefore it is minus 1 divided by 1 square minus 1 divided by 2 square. Next n equal to 3 minus 1 divided by 3 square minus 1 divided by 4 square plus so on. Minus so on. And multiplying minus on both sides, multiplying by negative on both sides. Therefore pi square by 6 is equal to, pi square by 6 is equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus so on. This is my required deduction. Okay, like this. Third one I am going to solve here. Now we have pi square by 12 equal to 1 by 1 square minus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square minus 1 by 4 square plus so on. And pi square by 6 equal to 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 4 square plus so on. Adding these two, what I am going to get here? Pi square by 12 plus pi square by 6 equal to 2 times 1 by 1 square plus 1 square cancels plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. And LCM is 12 here, therefore it is a pi square plus 2 pi square equal to 2 times 1 by 1 square plus 1 by 3 square plus 1 by 5 square plus so on. That is nothing but 3 pi square divided by 12 into 2 equal to 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square plus so on. 3 ones are 3, 4s are. Therefore my final answer is pi square divided by 8 equal to 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 5 square plus so on. This is the required deduction. Okay, like this, some more examples I am going to solve in my next video. Please subscribe my channel and give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll get the notifications. Thank you, friends.